Code of ethics, my favorite topic. I've been through a lot of challenges in my life, in my career, in the corporate decision making. Sometimes I ask myself, am I doing the right call, right decision? And sometimes I'm firm about the decision. Sometimes I'll tell them, this is against the law. Yeah. And then I realize as I mature, yeah, some of the calls that I made in my earlier part of my career are wrong. But at that time, it looked right. It goes by your own the way you're brought up, right? Let's go through that. Let's talk about this, about code of ethics. First thing you got to realize is ethics. Code of ethics has nothing to do with law. Yeah, it's just that how to do your best. Yeah, and it's a reflection of how you're brought up by your own parents. It's reflected by how you're brought up by your neighborhood, your society, your country, and each country, each society, and each neighborhood, they have their own socially accepted norms that defines your childhood, that defines how you're brought up, your school, your environment. They mold you into certain characters that becomes your life's code of ethics. You are governed by that, and you think that is right. Think about it. Think about it, how you're brought up. All right. And you will see certain decisions that you have made in your life. At that point of moment, yeah, it looks right. But, later stage, you say, I shouldn't have made that call. Yeah. And as the slide shows it, ethics has nothing to do with religion. Yeah, they are doing a good job. They are fantastic salesmen promoting religions. All right. But use your maturity. It has nothing to do with religion. Every single religion teaches the right thing. Maybe there's a different path, but you cannot define a person's, right or wrong through religion. Yeah, as I said, it's a salesmanship. You make a decision based on your gut feeling, based on your moral values. Ethics is also nothing to do with emotions, your anger, the way you express yourself, the way you love yourself. For some culture, hugging is wrong. Oh my gosh, how can you do this in front of all the others? For some culture, hugging is just an expression of appreciation and love. You have observed this before. Yeah. So therefore, different culture has different norms. Ethics is also not following the law blindly. Some of the laws are, if you look at it carefully, some of the laws are purposely designed to protect these politicians. Not just necessarily politics, but even within your organizations, they might change the bylaw so that it protects the head of your organization. Go through the bylaws, challenge yourself, ask yourself the questions. Why these clauses are there? Yeah. And then next one, it says ethics is not about following culturally accepted norms. I just give you an example about the culturally accepted norms just now. You need to have that maturity. Yeah. You will learn later on as well. The more you're exposed to different culture, people from different countries, different from different languages, if they are part of your team, you will learn about them. You will learn about cultures. If you travel, that's why people always say you must travel. Get exposure about people's culture, different countries. Then your mental maturity will be there to make the right decisions instead of making assumptions. Yeah. And it also says ethics is not science. Yeah, it's all based on the situation, based on, as I said, how you're brought up. But let me tell you, you're intelligent as you mature, as you get yourself exposed to culture and informations, read more books, you'll start appreciating about culture. There are four categories of code of ethics, and which will guide you in your decision. Tim, this code of ethics actually helped me, to make the right calls. Whenever I am confronted with certain ethical dilemmas, these four code of conducts help in terms of your decision making. Yeah, you know very clearly that this does not follow certain norms, certain right behaviors. Let's go through each one of them.